you can be healed from any disease. It's time we take our health into our own hands and reclaim our power. You ready? Our ancestors understood the healing power of nature's medicine. It's not fiction, it's written history. The God of the ancient Hebrews has many names that describe his attributes. One of my favorite is Yahuwah Rapha, the Lord who heals you. The Scroll of Jubilees chapter 10 reveals after the great flood, this God appointed an angel to Noah that taught him all of the healing properties of every plant on earth. Every seed-bearing plant on the face of the earth has been given to you. But have we forgotten our roots? Does herbal medicine really work? Are we relying too much on big pharma, who allegedly profits from treatments, not cures? If you've ever questioned the system, if you've ever felt like there's gotta be a better way, then you're in the right place. As a man of African descent, I created this channel to give my people tools to heal themselves with the medicine of Yahuwah Rapha and restore the knowledge we once possessed of the earth. Join me on this journey as we uncover the secrets of holistic healing and rediscover the ancient wisdom that's been hidden from us. This is more than a channel, it's a movement. Like and subscribe to be a part of it. Whether you're just starting out on your holistic journey or you're already an herbal expert, come vibe with us. Welcome to the Rapha Remedies family. Together, we thrive. Shalom.